All right, guys. Today, believe it or not, I'm going to look at this 2012 Mini Cooper S. I have a couple things going on. Started screaming like a banshee the last time I turned it on. It's actually a car that will be going somewhere soon, according to everyone. And I am going to try this out, which is a Innova 5610 analyzer. And being a new guy on the block, me, I honestly don't know what the hell I'm doing with it. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing started. Alright, symptoms please. Check engine lay. Those are just tire indicators. Doesn't sound too bad right now. But there was a problem. So pause you for a minute. So what did I get? Well, I got an Innova 5610. It's really important. All these little scanners that you have out there that they supposedly fix your cars and stuff. Most of them, at the most, will erase previous codes until the next time you turn it on, cycles through, and then it locks that code again. So they're not very helpful. They're good at giving you initial scans of telling you, well, it's the emissions, it's the fuel, but they don't give you much more than that. So I punched a little bit above the weight of those guys. Did my own research and found that this particular car scanner has a real high rating in workshops, not in people's backyards, which is a big deal, because what they do in these things is they actually not only diagnose the tests, they'll sit there and they'll look out and they'll actually reach out into their databases and see if there's any common problems with it. They'll diagnose what is currently happening. They'll suggest a solution. In many cases, they'll actually link that solution through some of the popular online stores like Amazon and stuff. It's important to note that this thing here goes more than just diagnosing a general problem. It goes on and suggests a solution. So it helps you along, which to me is a big deal, because I'm an old school guy. Most of my cars up until the last 10 years have been all non-OBD cars. Let's move on. All right. Prior to this, I had hooked it up where I downloaded, there's a phone tool, and of course it's in my pocket. So let's see if we can link it. Actually, I already checked this one out, but I wanted to show you what it was I was doing. Okay, so it says do the repair solution, skip. Skip. Knock sensor 1 circuit. Fault may pose damaged components and shouldn't do anything. Fault 2. Same one. 3. Knock center circuit 1. Pending, permanent, pending. So it says my knock sensor's out. The cool thing about it is if you have the system on and hooked up to your phone, you have that repair solutions hooked up to your phone, you'll see that it's telling you this, and it gives you a replace knock sensor, most likely problem. If you click on this, it actually goes into your Amazon account, if you have an Amazon account, or opens one up. Anyhow, that's what we got on this. Is really quick and easy. I have already ordered the knock sensor, so about 20 bucks. Here, about 50, and weeks of waits from the local auto parts store. I've already checked that one too. Okay, you could see they're monitoring all the different systems, and which systems. We have the O2 sensor, we have catalytic converter, we have environmental EVA. I don't know what it is. I know most of them. Anyhow, that's what I got. Quick 2 minutes. I'm out. Oh yeah, I'm not being paid for this or any of that stuff. This is stuff I need to use. So I went for the stuff that would give me the greatest value. All right, this is going to take me a lot of dexterity and a lot of luck. As you can see, it's chewed right through there. I don't know if you can see that, so I apologize. I can't see you seeing that. Oh yeah, I can see it now. But that's what's happening. It's chewed up. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm hoping I can just find a replacement cable and then reroute it. I can do that, but shoot, man. That would have taken me forever to find otherwise. But that took me 5 minutes, and once I got it up off the ground so I could take a look at it, I can see exactly what's wrong with it. I don't need a knock sensor. I need to fix the knock sensor cable. I'm gonna have to do some research because it's routed all through a bunch of stuff in here, and see if it's a one-shot deal, if I can reroute something else. It's right underneath the intake manifold too. It's an open area, but it's not accessible. This is the closest we get to accessible. Holy cow, Batman. Anyhow, I'm out. So that's all I have for this Innova car scan 5610. I know I got some issues to resolve, but now I know exactly what it is I need to fix, and it saved me a huge amount of time. Unlike the plug in the OBD2 sensor, look at your phone, and then and then get the basics that would say your environmental system's bad or your cam's bad. This guy actually goes down to the point, and it does it without having to buy subscription services or anything. So it's somewhere around $300 or so. Less if you get it on sale, which is how I did it. But overall, I give it a thumbs up. I give it 2 thumbs up because I got 3 cars that need this right now, and this one being the first one. So I look forward to using it on my Mini Cooper S and my old BMW 7 Series. So this is Dave from Saving Our Sanctuary, the car edition, and I am out.